Hi guys! Want to sell your freelance services without relying only on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork? In this video, I'll show you how to use System.io to create a simple sales funnel that helps you attract leads and convert them into paying clients. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, name your funnel Freelance Services Funnel, choose Build an Audience, and click Create. This funnel will help you showcase your services and collect leads from potential clients. Step 2. Open your opt-in page and click Edit Page. Choose a professional landing page template. Replace the default headline with a clear value proposition, such as "Get a free website audit" or "Book a free 15-minute consultation." Add a short description explaining how your service solves your client's problem. Step 3. Customize your landing page by adding a professional profile photo, a list of the services you offer, your portfolio or recent projects, client testimonials if available, and a strong call to action button such as request a free quote or book a consultation. The goal is to help visitors quickly understand your expertise and how to contact you. Step 4. Create a thank you page that confirms the inquiry has been received. If you use a scheduling tool, you can invite visitors to book a consultation immediately. You can also explain the next steps, such as when you'll respond or what information you'll need before the project begins. Step 5. Preview your funnel and test every form and button. Make sure your contact form works correctly, your thank you page loads properly, and your links lead to the right destination. And that's it! You've created a simple freelance services funnel in System.io. If you'd like to build professional landing pages, sales funnels, and client acquisition systems, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly tutorials.